Onwards and upwards, guys. And we're going to America this time. Belching Beaver Brewery Co. Based in San Diego, I think. Miso Honey. Yeah, described as a golden ale, blonde ale, brewed with honey. This is coming in at 5.5% ABV. So let's get it into a glass. Okay, well, yeah, beautiful golden looking ale there. 2-finger, quite a foamy, frothy head on this, but it's slowly but surely depleting. Carbonation, quite a bit of carbonation there. You probably ain't going to be able to pick that up, but it's happening in there, it's happening. Right, let's get the nose. Smells quite wheaty. I'm getting hints of honey, but the predominant smell to it is like a nice sort of wheaty smell to it. Let's dive in. Cheers. Yeah, you do get that honey. It's not push in your face, but it's there. Nice sweetness to it. Very, very refreshing. Bready. Slightly biscuity almost. That's nice. I like it. That's nice. It's not can conditioned anyway. Clarities still remain the same. Yeah, the carbonation's just about right in this one, because you take a sip and it pushes that sweet honeyness around your mouth, and you do get it. You do get it. Yeah, I like this one. Very much like this one. It's nice. You could quite easily, I mean 5.5, maybe it's just about sitting on the fence for sessioning, but you could have a few. You could quite easily sink a few of these. Yeah. Thumbs up to this one. Belching Beaver Brewery. Miso Honey. Yeah, like this one, chaps. Until next time, which won't be long.